Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. I'm Scott, and this is the restoration project on the 1977 21 Boston Whaler Outrage, one of the banana boats, right? So we're doing this. If you missed episode one, we pulled this boat out of storage. The boat had been in storage about 10 years or so, and 3 or 4 years ago it was pulled out. The engine was gone through, a new steering system was put in, it was used one time, wrapped back up, and it sat for the last 3 years or more under shrink wrap. So we pulled the boat out. In episode 1, if you missed it, go check it out. We uncovered it, we revealed it, we washed it down, waxed it, cleaned up the rub rails, that kind of thing. Hey, today we're going to go ahead and take the teak off the boat. That's what we're doing in episode 2. So check it out, and hey, don't forget, if you like the show, please subscribe to the channel. Like it, share it, comment anything you want to know about the boat or have any suggestions. Go ahead, feel free, put them in the comments below. Make sure you, when you subscribe to the channel, you click the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? I've got a lot of other videos on the channel as well, other than the boat. You know, vacations, just a myriad of other things. So I also have a channel, Flamethrower Grill. If you're into barbecuing and grilling and smoking and all that kind of stuff, check out on YouTube Flamethrower Grill. And I have another one, Concert Connections. Since this COVID-19 things, you know, 2020 concerts, so that channel is kind of dead other than virtual stuff that you can stream and things like that, or some of the old concerts. If you want to check out some of those, we'll be uploading a Scott Stat video. But back to the boat. Please subscribe to the channel. And let's get on with this episode about removing the teak. Alright, so here's our next project. We're going to go ahead and take apart all this console. We're going to take off all the teak. Alright, this teak is pretty bare. You can see, okay, it's been many, many years since that's been done. Obviously, this here has been done at some point. The steering must have been replaced. I do not want to take the steering apart. We'll see. But I'm thinking I'm going to leave this on and just take this and try to raise this up and clean what I can. Maybe I can do it on there, maybe I can't. I don't know. Interesting. Okay, but this particular door we're going to take off. Alright. And get a new lock for it. It seems to fall. It doesn't have the piece here, but we're going to get that working. Alright, we've already taken this door off here on the side of the console, which is right here, and it's not horrible. It's got some mold on it, you know, but these louvers here are a bit of a challenge. But that's that. And obviously the inside of the console, and here's the seat. We're taking this apart and doing this as well. And we have a new seat coming. We already have it in stock. But this teak seat here is going to be done. Now, I have 3 teak covers there that I already did. I also have another couple pieces of teak over here I need to do along the bottom of the console. I have to take that off. That holds the console down, so that's got to come off. This piece down here I have to do as well, if you can see that. Alright folks, we've been taking off this teak, some of this trim, little pieces here, no big deal. Alright, so there we go, this trim here, no big deal. However, we got to take off these things. Just heads up, when you do this stuff, so we got these wires back here. Got to go ahead and take this off. We've got to disconnect all 3 of these wires here, making sure we put them back on the right spots. I've looked, it doesn't indicate colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this tape and just make some labels, okay? Alright, there you go folks. So I've labeled this wire here, the trim. We've got the tack wire, but there's these 3 wires that go to the back of the tack. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but in any case, there's a purple, black, and a white. It doesn't say on the tack actually. So I just label them perp L, black M, white right. So that's what's happening. Alright folks, here we are. I've taken off a lot of the teak off the console. The fire extinguisher trim. We got this door off. I did take a couple of the panels off with the gauges. The steering wheel here, I'm going to have to get a wheel puller so I can get this piece off. I've got this one loose. I'm going to have to either disconnect some cables or get fancy here and just do it on here. I do have a crack. I think I want to get this off and fix that. Spin it over and put the crack on the bottom. Got this piece here. Came out of the steering wheel. We'll get that done as well. Alright. I've got the seat here now. I'm going to take this apart. We're going to start cleaning this as well. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to try to take the seat apart. First thing I'm going to do is take these handles off. Now power tools would come in handy, right? Get a screwdriver here. A drill or something. All right, there's one handle off. Alright, two handles off. I'm going to take these, if at all possible, see if we can get these rod holders out. Okay, that's out. Okay, another one out. Great, this is going well. Now I've got to take these mounts off. And then this middle section of the seat should come out. Alright, there we go. We've got these pretty much out. We'll do the rest of them by hand here. I'm just going to take them totally off because I have to do this piece of teak here as well. It appears this back is off. You never know what you're going to get into until you start taking stuff apart. Alright, one more to go. And it's just that the screw holes are so tight, I can't really pull. There we go, I pulled it out. Alright, there we go, look. So that one's free. I'm going to do the other side now. We'll take this back off. Alright folks, here we go. Piece of cake, right? And this is a pretty simple system. The piers, these are not bolted in. These should come right off. It's a really nice snug fit they've got in here. I will have to figure out how to get these off. It appears I just have to pry them. But maybe not. I don't know yet. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Alright, bingo. There we go. There we go. Bang. Alright. A little crack here. Maybe I might want to get some glue in there. Okay. There we go. Well, hey folks, thanks for watching the show. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a few things. And keep in mind, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, comment, like it, share it with all your friends. Click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, the next episode, we're going to clean this teak. Okay, we're going to get it ready to put some coatings on it and get it back ready to install. So next week, how to clean your teak. Fast and easy. See you next time.